This is Travis from Camp Corona School of Nature. We're going on a walk today. A hike.
Good break.
There's road. There's campers. So they're crazy. That's what a deer print looks like. And this is a little peppermint plant. We're gonna make tea later with it. It's a little red. This is, the wall is for to bounce heat back to you. When you're sitting down, you have campfires and you're cold and it's like in the winter. You just set up a wall and then the heat will bounce back to you and then it will keep you warm. This tree's dead, so that's why I'm gonna cut it down for a fire. So, gotta strike at it.
Yeah, in all seriousness, this branch hitting him in the head could have been really bad. We looked up, we didn't see it, and it came off the top of the tree.
Okay, I'm gonna go bring it over to the fire pit.
I'm gonna pick up my axe. We're gonna go for a walk in the woods. Woods, that movie is a great movie. And we're gonna try and find dead tree falls and make a lean-to so we can lay there by the summer. The best way to start fire in the woods is by peeling birch bark. So what I'm doing is to get all the oil out and to shrink it down so we can start a fire that way.
Yep, there you go. There. Oh,
no,
there.
Oh man, that was it.
There you go. Now put your stick on and put your fat wood on there.
No.
Yep. Yep, put that on there. Now put your sticks and pencils on there. Okay. That other stuff that's by your foot.
Yeah, I don't know if any of this stuff feathers up good or not.
That's good.
Yeah.
We're gonna sit this on there to let the lake water boil.
Let's put the handle back that way though so the handle's not all hot.
Grandpa giving Travis a little help.
This is how you make maple syrup. You drill the hole in, right in there, and then you pound it. Then the sap falls to a bucket. Then you boil it, and then that's how you make maple syrup. Maybe we could bring some in to try. What are you doing? So I'm gonna take this off because it's been 10 minutes. The wintergreens were in there. We put the wintergreens in there. It's been 10 minutes, so we're gonna get a cup and drink it. We poured the wintergreen in the cup, so now, wait, now let's try it. Doesn't taste too bad.